Welcome to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the 5 best laminators for crafts 2026, chosen for their versatility, precision, and ease of use. Craft projects often require laminators that can handle photos, stickers, and decorative sheets with smooth, bubble-free results. These models feature hot and cold lamination modes, jam-free technology, and built-in trimmers or corner rounders for professional finishes. With trusted names like Asark, Moss & Pro, Bonsai, Cellino, and Ibsdi, this lineup ensures reliable performance for DIY enthusiasts, teachers, and small businesses. Let's explore the top 5 laminators that combine durability, convenience, and creativity for craft projects. Number 1. Asark A44 in-1 Personal Laminator. The Asark A44 in-1 Laminator is a versatile option designed for home and craft use. Featuring hot and cold lamination modes, it accommodates A4 documents, photos, and stickers. Compact yet powerful, it balances affordability with performance. The package includes 9 laminating sheets, making it ready to use immediately. Built-in trimmer and corner rounder add convenience, while quiet operation ensures a smooth crafting experience. Quick warm-up provides efficiency, making it ideal for DIY projects and classrooms. Asark delivers a practical solution for crafters seeking a reliable laminator that combines multifunction features with everyday usability for creative projects. Number 2. Moss & Pro 9-inch Thermal Laminator. The Moss & Pro 9-inch Thermal Laminator is a compact option, rated 4.7 stars by users. Featuring hot and cold lamination modes, it accommodates A4, A5, and A6 documents, making it versatile for crafts. The package includes 40 laminating sheets, ensuring long-term use. Compact yet powerful, it balances affordability with performance. Anti-jam technology ensures smooth operation, while the 2-roller system delivers bubble-free results. Quick warm-up provides efficiency, making it ideal for photos, stickers, and decorative projects. Moss & Pro delivers a strong option for crafters seeking a laminator that combines reliability, convenience, and consistent performance for creative work. Number 3. Bonsai 9-inch Thermal Laminator Black. The Bonsai 9-inch Thermal Laminator is a versatile option, rated 4.6 stars by over 3,400 users. Featuring Never Jam technology, it ensures smooth operation for laminating craft projects. Compact yet powerful, it accommodates documents up to 9 inches wide. Quick warm-up ensures efficiency, while durable construction guarantees reliability. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for DIY enthusiasts and teachers. Bonsai delivers a practical solution for crafters seeking a laminator that combines affordability, convenience, and consistent performance for photos, stickers, and creative projects. This model is praised for its ease of use and dependable results in everyday crafting. Number 4. Cellino 13-inch 4-roller Commercial Laminator. The Cellino 13-inch 4-roller laminator is a premium option, rated 4.6 stars by users. Featuring hot lamination technology, it accommodates documents up to A3 size, including posters and large craft sheets. Fast 55-second warm-up ensures efficiency, while the 4-roller system delivers professional, bubble-free results. Compact yet powerful, it balances functionality with durability. The package includes 30 laminating sheets, making it ready to use immediately. Cellino delivers a strong option for crafters seeking a laminator that combines large capacity, advanced features, and reliable performance for professional quality creative projects. This model is ideal for serious DIY enthusiasts and small businesses. Number 5. Ibsdi 9-inch Portable Laminator Machine. The Ibsdi 9-inch Portable Laminator Machine is a multifunctional option designed for home and craft use. Featuring anti-jam technology, it ensures smooth operation for laminating worksheets, photos, and stickers. Compact yet powerful, it accommodates A4 documents, making it versatile for creative projects. The all-in-one design includes a trimmer and corner rounder, adding convenience for professional finishes. Quick warm-up ensures efficiency, while the package includes 40 sheets, making it ready to use immediately. Ibsdi delivers a practical solution for crafters seeking a laminator that combines portability, durability, and reliable performance in one compact machine. That wraps up our list of the 5 best laminators for crafts, 2026. From compact 9-inch designs to large 13-inch commercial models, each option offers unique strengths for creative projects. Whether you prioritize portability, multifunction features, or professional finishes, this lineup ensures reliable performance for photos, stickers, and DIY crafts. Check the description for updated prices and details. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and make your craft projects shine with the right laminator.